If you thought BMW had reached the peak of luxury SUVs, think again. The 2025 BMW X8 takes everything the brand is known for: performance, prestige, and bold design, and dials it up to 11. This isn't just an SUV, it's a rolling flagship that turns heads on the street and pampers passengers inside. Whether you're drawn in by its commanding looks or intrigued by its hybrid tech, the X8 makes a powerful first impression. Let's start with the design. Up front, the oversized kidney grille makes no apologies. It's large, confident, and flanked by sleek laser headlights that cut through the dark like blades. A coupe-like roofline adds a sense of sportiness you don't usually expect from something this big, while flush door handles, sharp body lines, and sculpted rear fenders give it a futuristic yet athletic edge. Around back, you'll find slim LED taillights, integrated exhaust outlets, and a clean rear design that keeps things classy. Sitting on large alloy wheels with chrome window trim, the X8 demands attention and gets it. Step inside, and you're met with true flagship luxury. Premium leather wraps the seats, while wood and metal accents are tastefully placed throughout the cabin. The curved dual display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly integrating a digital instrument cluster. And BMW's latest infotainment system, ambient lighting, sets the mood, and a panoramic sunroof brings in natural light, enhancing the cabin's sense of space. For those riding in the back, executive lounge seating is available, perfect for long trips or just feeling like a VIP on your morning commute. Under the hood, the X8 is expected to offer a choice of powertrains, including a potent V8 mild hybrid and a plug-in hybrid option. Both promise strong acceleration with smooth, confident delivery. BMW's adaptive air suspension soaks up road imperfections while keeping the ride composed, and the all-wheel drive system ensures grip in any weather. What's even more impressive is the rear wheel steering. It helps this large SUV feel nimble, especially in tight urban settings. Whether you're carving up highway lanes or simply pulling into a crowded parking lot, the X8 drives like a much smaller car. Technology is a big part of the experience here. The X8 runs on BMW's iDrive 9 system, which means a fast, fluid touchscreen interface, over-the-air updates, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system delivers concert-quality audio, and every control feels intuitive and premium. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system for total awareness wherever you drive. So, how does it compare in a segment filled with power players like the Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Q8, or Range Rover? The X8 takes a more performance-driven approach, with sharper dynamics and a driver-focused layout, all while offering the luxury and tech you'd expect at this level. It's a unique blend that positions the X8 as both a luxury cruiser and a performance machine, something not every full-size SUV can claim. With a starting price expected around $105,000, the 2025 BMW X8 isn't for the budget-minded, but for those who want the best of BMW's design, performance, and technology wrapped in an ultra-premium SUV. It delivers. This is a vehicle that doesn't just keep up with the competition, it sets its own standard.